Nasopharynx. Rhinitis. Rhinitis is actually the inflammation of nasal mucosa. The most important causative factor is rhinovirus. Presents with sneezing, congestion, runny nose. Allergic rhinitis is a subtype of rhinitis due to type 1 hypersensitive reaction. For example, pollen, characterized by inflammatory infiltrate with eosinophil associated with asthma and eczema. That one is eczema. Nasal polyps. Protrusion of edematous inflamed nasal mucosa. That is a picture of nasal polyps. The nasal polyps usually secondary to repeated bouts of rhinitis also occurs in cystic fibrosis and aspirin intolerant asthma. In cystic fibrosis, the thick mucus created by cystic fibrosis lead to chronic, constant, long-term sinus congestion and frequent sinus infection, which then progresses to nasal polyps. Aspirin-intolerant asthma is characterized by triad of asthma, aspirin-induced bronchospasm, and nasal polyps. Angiofibroma. Angio means blood vessel and fibro means fibrous tissue, while oma means mass. Benign tumor of nasal mucosa composed of large blood vessel and fibrous tissue, classical seen in adult males. Present with profuse epistaxis. Nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Malignant tumor of nasopharyngeal epithelium associated with Epstein-Barr virus, classically is seen in African children and Chinese adults. Biopsy reveals pleomorphic keratin, positive epithelial cell, poorly differentiated squamous cell carcinoma in a background of lymphocyte, often presents with involvement of cervical lymph nodes.